is actually getting nice. Fuck, I just fell. So yeah. Alright boys, catch you on the next mud hole. Alright boys. Catch you on the next one. And this is Noah's first time ripping on spoons. There's dad's swimming in the mud, so yeah, hope it doesn't get buried. Alright, we're gonna hit this one up here. Alright. That's Daniel. We texted Daniel, he didn't want to come, so he's here now. What's up, bud? Why you weren't gonna come?
Well, my bad. I'm just my bike. Took all the plastics off the thing now.
Oh. Alright boys, we'll catch you in the next butthole. Yeah. Bud, you're just burying it. Well. Noah! That's good. Alright boys, you got a 4-wheeler stuff. Or his dad's. So yeah. We'll get him winched out. We got a 4-wheeler.
That thing's pretty buried.
Dad's.
Hey, don't make this thing come
Not.
Black and white is buried.
It's off. Probably like
5 inches off. Look, that's the pull out.
Oh fuck, look at this. Oh fuck.
Alright, boys, we got I'm trying to get him out. He's not budging.
Hey, you're going deeper. Hey, just pull the winch. Pull the winch. Oh fuck. Hey, you gotta hook it on lower. Let's get. Whoa, why'd you have it up here? You gotta put it way down here.
I didn't know where to put it at.
Here, take that. Give her shit. We're going forwards. There we go. Hey, yeah, put your diff lock on and turn your wheel up. Fucking idiot just fell. Go. Turn your wheel. Turn your wheel. Now you're bottom shit, man. Hey, you're going. Slow down. boy. That's gonna be okay. Alright, boys, this is pretty easy. And, yeah, I made it through. And Daniel's doing it. We're good to go. So, he's gonna try this now. Yeah. What? I just fell. Oh, boys. Alright, meet you on the next one. Alright, boys, we're gonna end the video there. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please subscribe. Noah doesn't get stuck for nothing. Here he is. I trying to turn around.